Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard, and here you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Let's select, for example, Georgian language, and then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in our new language. And as you can see, now I have Georgian keyboard on my device here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.